Welcome to this webcast on duplicates analysis using IDEA. These webcasts are being brought to you by Automation Services, the USA provider of Caseware IDEA data analysis solutions. One of our business goals is to help our clients get the most out of their investment in IDEA software. Analyzing a data set for duplicate data is an important and vital test for any business. Whether you're looking for payments, employee records, or invoice data, finding and eliminating duplicate records in a company's database and files can be a way to quickly find cash that's leaking out the doors. IDEA has built-in duplicate detection capabilities that are not only easy to use, but simple to automate. Anytime you can automate a process, you're literally adding time back into your busy schedule. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to run a duplicate analysis on an invoice-related dataset that I already have imported into IDEA. Finding duplicate invoice data by looking at several key pieces of information contained in this file could help prevent paying a single invoice several times, saving the company money up front as well as money to recover the overpayment. The first step in this process is to summarize the detailed information into single invoice items. On the Analysis tab of the main ribbon, click Summarization in the Categorize category to open the summarization dialog. In the Fields to Summarize section, I'm going to choose the field to roll the items up into a single line. At this time, I'm going to choose the vendor number and then all of the invoice information. You should choose the data elements that are logical for your specific data set. Click the Fields button and choose Include All Fields. And click OK. Next, I want to have IDEA sum up the invoice amount for each invoice item. Give your file a long name. Be descriptive. And then choose OK to have IDEA summarize your data. As you can see, all of the data has been summarized up onto single rows, single line items by the 5 pieces of data that I chose: the vendor number, invoice date, invoice amount, and invoice batch. The task that I've chosen today is to see if this vendor was paid the same invoice on 2 different batches. The next step in our process is to have IDEA test this data set for duplicates. On the Analysis tab of the main ribbon, choose Duplicate Key and Detection. In this dialog box, you're asked to define a key. Since we're looking to see if this vendor was paid an invoice in 2 different batches, my key should be the vendor information, all of the invoice information, and leave that batch information out. That will tell us if that's a duplicate. Vendor number, invoice date, invoice amount, invoice number are the 4 key items. Again, name your file. I like long names. Duplicate by and click OK. We can clearly see that this vendor was paid this invoice, the same date and number, on 2 different batches. This duplicate view of the data is much easier to analyze and to come to conclusions regarding potential duplicate data. If you have any questions on how to use IDEA software to detect duplicate information in your databases, please take advantage of our 20-minute rule and contact the Automation Services Help Desk at 888-641-2800. Choose option 4. Thank you, and make it a great day.